everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am cleaning my kitchen. I'm not going to do a clean with me video because everyone knows how to clean, but I did want to share with you some amazing products I found today at Dollar Tree. So of course, before I start cleaning, I'll pop on over to Dollar Tree see if I can find any new kind of products to use. I like to clean my floors because I have a baby crawling around, and Lord and behold, I found what seems to be a Dollar Tree alternative line like Swiffer. I was like, oh my goodness. And they had everything there. They had the stick, they had the little pad, they had different type of cloths, they had brooms. It is just crazy. So this is what I chose to purchase myself for my own home. Okay, so everything comes separate. You have to buy everything individually. And so right here is the actual pole that you have to buy, which is the handle. This is also separate. Right here, it is from the Essential brand. This is the wet, dry, flathead mop. And you have your little things here to apply if you have individual wet cloths you want to put on here, like a Swiffer. And on the bottom part you have the sticky, like, I guess not Velcro, but the type that's like to hold on to cloth and stuff on this side. And then right here is very, very smooth, which I'm guessing is for all the wet type of products you put on the bottom. Also, they have, which is the microfiber dust mop pads, chiffon. These are very, very soft. And on the back, you have what is just like Swiffer, and it is washable. It's very, very thick. So I'm like thinking it's going to be a very good product to have. And then I got me 4 of the microfiber mop pad heavy duty chiffon cloths, which is basically, you know, this one is more for cleaning, this one is more for dusting. So I am going to be trying these out right now for you guys to see. And this is a great alternative to buying these expensive Liveman, and also, I forgot what this is even called. Oh, this thing right here. I forgot the name of it, but I got this a while ago before Kmart had went out of business. And I only have 1 pad of this because they were so freaking expensive. So I'm going to be using this one to actually clean my floors first. And I really do hope this works out, because I'm going to go back to that store and buy me a couple other ones, because I'm not too sure of the quality of it. I'm not too sure what it's going to be like once I use it and wash it. And I mean, like I said, it's really thick. But you know, so get the little pad as well. And these come with a little thing on top, because everything again has to be purchased separately. But I still put the pole inside because I wanted to see how long it would be when I put it in there, because you know, the pole can be short and it's not going to work out. Like, yeah, I'm short, but everybody in my household not short. But so super easy, just screw it on in here. And you can actually, which I think, use the white poles for the actual broom that's in there, but I wanted mine to look cute in all black, so yeah, I did that. So I'm just going to apply it to the back like so, and it is stuck on there. So that is a good sign already. Alrighty, let's do a little mopping. So before I start mopping, I wanted to actually try to see if the Dollar Tree broom stick would fit in here. I'm pretty sure it probably will, but I can already see it's a height difference. I'm 5'2", and with the actual black stick itself, it actually comes to my shoulder with the actual black stick for the actual mop itself. Now I'm going to switch this out. Try to do that. Yep, it goes in there without a problem, but it's really short. Like, it comes to my bust area. So I guess if you have somebody that's really tall, you may not want to use the actual Dollar Tree broom mop. Broomstick. You want to actually buy the black stick that comes with it, because it is much taller and will be much more easier for someone who is taller than 5'2". I have like paint and stuff over my floors because I am painting in my kitchen. I just did my countertops. My actual cabinets. They're white. And now I have to do my countertops later on. But let's just see. So far, it looks like it's actually working. Like, I have no issue with this. It's not coming off. I'm swiveling it, swirling it. Let's do the shake test. Oh yeah, it's working. I like this. I'm definitely gonna get me some more of these. All that dirt it just picked up. And look at it. I am loving this thing, and it did not come off, and plus it's getting in the corners. I always have an issue when I'm like sweeping to get in the corners with things like this, but it really is up in the corners. I think because it's so puffy and it's like really getting up in there, but oh yeah, I'm loving this.
I will be doing a blog update here at Shanettadiylife.com just to see the quality of this, because right now it's working superb. You know, there's no issues, but once you wash it, that's when you truly see if it's good quality or not. So make sure you check it out if you really want to know.
So before discovering the Dollar Tree Swiffer line, I was actually using the Scrub Buddies, this one right here, with this. So now that I actually have the whole Dollar Tree line, I'm going to be using the same ones because I like these over the other one. They're very thick and they don't rip while I'm using them. So let's just see what happens. So as I mentioned before, you have your 4 push-in sections here, and you have the smooth thing in the middle. So I think I'm gonna actually have to open this up, but opening it up, flip it over, and it's the perfect size. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna just squish it in. Isn't it works this way? I'm hoping it don't come off, because this will be so much easier than keep on you know, doing the other thing. So this is one option you can use to clean your floors if you have. Oh wow, it has not coming off. Wow, this is so cool. So you can actually just buy the head and these, like a Swiffer, and just mop. Now of course it's a flaw because you only have this pole and you don't have any kind of liquid coming out to keep the floor wet as you are mopping about. So you would be using a lot of these, but it's still 10 times cheaper than getting the actual Swiffer. But I mean, hey, you can go around with a little spray bottle and spray and then you know, mop away. I mean, it may be a little bit more of a task for some people, but you can also just pre-wet the floor in certain areas and then mop as well. So I'm going to be using this now, and I'm going to be doing exactly what I just stated by pre-wetting my floor and just mopping about. Fits on here nicely. All right. So in love with this. Oh my goodness, I love it. Oh my goodness. Yes, Dollar Tree, we are friends. I love this thing. I recommend you guys get this. It is like, I love it.
Also, buy these if you already have a Microfiber Mop or Swiffer or any other type of brands that have these interchangeable ones. It's so much cheaper getting them from Dollar Tree than buying them from a regular store.
So what's the consensus? I say you should buy it. And I say you should buy it for 2 reasons. One, it is way, way cheaper than the Swiffer. And number 2, you can use either these washable pads or the little changeable scrubby one that I told you about. And if you have a smaller space, one of these is all you would need to mop your floor. If you have a bigger space like mine, you can use one of these, but you'll have to keep on wetting the floor. I wouldn't feel confident that my floor is getting clean because these aren't really, really thin, but they're thin enough. And I feel that I will definitely need one of these so that it can trap all the dirt that it is touching while I'm mopping around. So I would say, go buy this. If you can find this in your store, go buy this. This is gonna be a godsend. And I love this little thing. I thought it would get me like 2 more pads, 2 more little shuffly ones. But I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you check out my blog so you can find out about the durability of it. Once I washed it, I'm gonna do an update down the road as well. Yay, Dollar Tree. All right, guys, till next time, have a good one.